I'm gonna be entering my first ranked coding contest ever. This is Leetcode weekly contest. It starts in 5 minutes. There's a lot of things going against me. First, my actual coding skills. I just switched to Python Leetcoding, I think 2 weeks ago too. I've been hearing conflicting stuff about this, so if anyone is watching the VOD, can you use Google to look up syntax during the contest? I'm not gonna look up the actual solution. It doesn't feel like cheating, but I read the rules. You are? Oh, thank goodness. I'm gonna need it. Basically, don't copy-paste the question into an LLM or share your solution during the contest. Ah, I see. Okay, so you can Google. I've been looking at the ranking charts for the past contests. This thing is so competitive. Apparently, to even crack the top 400 places or something, you need to get all 4 questions right, which is gonna be next to impossible for me. So, Leetcoding backpack out of the question, Leetcode water bottle. But hey, we can still win a big O nope if we get like 1337th or 2048th place. So there's still some hope for us. My goal is to get 1 question right. If I can get 1 question right, I'm gonna be pretty happy.
About all of Python, you'll learn about what Python do. We'll be going quick, so it'll be helpful for me. In this tutorial, if I code the start 3 angle bracket, that
I'm all set, guys. 10 seconds. Wait, yeah, how does the contest start? It will give you a pop-up window when you click it. Oh, let's go. Join. Oh my goodness. Question 1, compute alternating sum. Ooh. Wait, isn't this really easy? Am I crazy? I thought this sounds really easy. Find the alternating sum, right? Which means at the even indices you add, at the odd indices like 1, 3, you subtract. So all I have to do is go through, iterate left to right. For the even indices, add. For the odd indices, minus. I feel like that's all I need to do. I don't even need to calculate which indices are even, right? I can just have a variable that stores whether I should add or subtract. You know what? Let's go. So boolean add is equal to true, I suppose. Okay. So for num in nums, I need a variable to store the sums too. Sum is equal to 0. So if add, then sum plus equals num, else sum minus equals num. And at the end, add is equal to not add. Is this how you do it in Python? Is this how you do not boolean? And then at the end, you return sum. Wait, there's no run button? Really? People one-shot this? Okay, I actually have to read my code carefully. There's a run button where, I didn't see it. Oh my goodness. Oh, what? So is this not how you do in Python? Is Python like not? Not available during contest. What? How do I mean, that sounds reasonable, right? This is -4. Okay, I'll just submit. Hey, let's go. And my extension is finally working. We solved 1 problem, boys. Let's go. Whoa. How do I? Wow. I'm so proud of myself. First try, baby. Wow. I'm getting my first ELO points, baby, I think. Okay. How do I go to the next question? What's the, here, next question? Ooh. No, it's binary questions. Frick. Oh, frick. Okay, longest subsequence with non-zero bitwise XOR. I don't even remember what XOR is. Oh boy. Oh wait, don't tell me. I'm not supposed to get external existence. That's cheating. Oh no. Let me look up what bitwise XOR is. Alright, this is our test to see if you can look up stuff on Google. If Leetcode is watching right now, they're gonna ban me. Actually, I've never heard of anyone getting banned on Leetcode, but is a logical operator whose negation is the logical bicondition. That means nothing to me. With 2 inputs, XOR is true. If and only if the inputs. Okay. So it returns true if 1 is true and 1 is false. Exactly. There's no like 1 is true, 1 is true. Matt says they will not ban you for looking up what XOR is or what's up. So 2 is like 1, 0, right? What's 3? 1, 1. That's 2. That's 3. Is this how XOR works? So if these are the same, so you go like this direction, huh? Well, yeah, how would you go about doing this? Is this recursion? I'm currently struggling on a binary problem. Do I get minus points if I skip? I don't think so. Remove k-balanced subs. Ooh, I'm gonna skip that problem. I really suck at problems. No point loss. Oh, okay. Are you basically given a string of like parentheses, and then your job is to remove all the matching parentheses and return what's left? So k equals 1 in this case means just 1 pair of matching parentheses. So every time you see 1 matching pair, you remove it. K equals 1, so you remove this one. Okay, k equals 3. Oh, so this is the k equals 3 parentheses is like this one. 3 pairs in a row, I suppose. Or like nested in each other. Thus, the final string is that. So you're given a string of parentheses and k. K is the number of sort of nested parentheses that you have to have in a row for you to remove the parentheses. So k equals 1 is like that. Would you need a stack for this? Would a stack work? So let's say this is my stack. I have this parentheses first, and then this parentheses, and then this parentheses. Would I even need to put this into the stack? I'm looking at this one right here. And then I'm like, oh, I mean, I do see a matching parentheses here. So I'm like, okay, I can probably pop this one off. And then I go to the next one, which gives me, well, I do see another matching one here. And then I'm like, okay, I can probably pop this off too. So the remaining is empty. Okay, so this strategy works for k equals 1. What about k equals 3? So first we're looking at this one, right? So okay, let's say this is our stack here. We put in the parentheses here. We look at the next one, probably pop this one in. We look at the next one, so pop this one in the stack. And then we see this one. Do we pop in the stack? Okay, see, this is how it differs from k equals 1 now. Yeah, what happens if I start storing the end parentheses in the same stack? Is that going to help me? That, and then that. That doesn't tell me anything, does it? Because when I look at my stack, it's just, oh, I have a end parentheses here. That doesn't really help me, does it? I mean, the thing I really need is by the time I get to this parentheses here, I need to be able to tell that I've already seen 3 left parentheses and 3 right parentheses. Let's go back to the idea where we store how many parentheses we've seen. What if we do like in our source, our stack? Let's say we iterate like 1, 2, 3. We're like, okay, we've seen 3 left parentheses. And then we continue counting. Our right parentheses is like 1, 2, 3. And we're like, okay, do we have the left parentheses to back it up? We do, so we can probably take it out. Yeah, if the number of right parentheses is equal to k, then and we have enough left parentheses to back it up, then we can totally just remove it. And then we go here, we have 1 left parentheses, okay. The next one is just 1. Should there be a way to store if it's like a left or right parentheses group? I feel like that would be useful, because then we still need to print out the entire thing at the end, right? Okay, I have another idea. In the stack, what if we go like left 3, and then outside here, we're starting to build our R3, and then we're like, okay, this is now equal to k. Do we have the parentheses to back it up? We do, so we can pop this away. Next, we have a L1, and then we have an LR1, L1, R1, and then L1, R1. The integer never surpasses k, so we never have to check if the previous one is, if we have left parentheses to back it up. I feel like my solution is like way too complicated though. It's like would it even be practical to implement what I'm trying to do? Can you store like a tuple in? What if you do like left parentheses, comma 3, right? And then every time you see an R, you do right parentheses 3, and then now you see, so 3 is equal to k. Do I have the left parentheses to back it up? I do, so I can pop both, and then left 1, right 1, and then in the end, I would pop the stack and then print all of these out, I think. I feel like that's a solution, no? Although, would this work for multiple passes? You have to be able to handle multiple passes, right? Let's say let me make up my own problem now. So this is 1, 2, 1, 2, and then what if I have something like this? And then k equals 2. What happens in my stack? I would have 1, 2, 3, 4. Left parentheses is 4, and then right parentheses is 4. Ooh, I don't think my solution would work. Hold on, before we even reach r is equal to 4, we would be like, r is equal to 2, right? Do I have the left parentheses to back it up? I sure as heck do. So this is gone, and then maybe this will be 2 now. And then I continue, right? R is equal to 2 once again. And like, okay, do I have the left parentheses to back it up? I do, so these are gone. Oh, interesting. Okay, I think I have a rough idea how to do this. It's just that the data structure is like, is this even practical? Is this going to be a nightmare to implement? Let me look at how stacks work in Python. Python stack Python, add push pop stack.append. Oh, so it's just a list with fancy functions. You know what? I'm going to try this. I'm going to try this implementation. Oh, okay. What a nightmare. Using stacks for the first time in Python. So stack is equal to this. How do I iterate every character for string? Is it like for character in string? Let me just make a bogus return statement for now. Oh, okay, yeah. This is how you iterate through characters. Sick. Okay, so if character is equal to this, a left parentheses, let's do this one first. Let's do the case where the stack is empty first. Or like, if the last thing that I'm tracking is not already a left parentheses count. If stack -1, like the last element, 0 is not equal to, oh no, how do you do not equals in Python? Not equals to this. Let's make this the key. Then you do stack.append tuple of Is tuple the right way to go? You can't modify tuples, can you? Tuples are immutable. Python, are tuples immutable? Yes, tuples are immutable. I should store a list. Append a list where the beginning is like this. That's what we're tracking, and you start the count with 1. Else, you do the last element of the stack, -1. The first element is equal to stack -1, first element plus 1, I think. Yeah, okay. Okay, I think we're on the right track. And then, else, this is the case where you're tracking this character, the right parentheses. Okay, so if the last character that you're tracking is not equal to the right parentheses, then you start appending a new count. So else, if the last character you were tracking is a right parentheses, then you increment the count. Yeah, okay. You know what? I'm just gonna do a sanity check. Let's just print out what the stack is at the end. Make sure we're actually tracking them correctly. List out of range. What? Line 6. Oh, is it because I have no values? What if, how do you check it's empty? If our stack is empty, or our previous thing is not what we're tracking, then we start a new count. Yeah, okay. Not stack. Like if the stack is already empty, yeah, we don't want to go here. Yeah, okay, there we go. Cool. Okay, so we tracked left parentheses is 2, right parentheses is 2. Awesome. 3, 3. Okay, yeah, so we can definitely tell if we have our k-balanced parentheses. So this is the way that worked. What the hell? Wow, thanks for the encouragement, Silo. So after every iteration, we need to check if what we're tracking right now is a right parentheses and if its current number is equal to k. Yeah, and then we do some processing after that. So if the last number, stack -1, so if the character is equal to right parentheses and the count -1 count is equal to k, which is our target. Okay, I think I'm starting to see it. And if stack, how do we check if a index exists? We need to check that the index exists of -2. How do you check if an index exists? Python, how to check if index -2 exists? If length of stack is greater than or equal to, and stack, the second to last one, the value is also greater than or equal to k, then that means we have a match. So we can pop our left parentheses, stack pop, okay? And you would decrease the previous, so decrease the count of the left parentheses, right? And then if this becomes 0 or less, then you can just pop it too. And then stack the new end value now, stack -1 dot 1 is equal to the last value minus k. And then if that value becomes less than or equal to 0, then stack dot pop. Yeah, I think that's it. No? Okay, a convenient thing we can do to debug is after every loop we can print out what the stack to. Output is, did I solve it? Okay, so first left parentheses by 1, 2, 3, very good. 1, 2, yeah, we did it. Okay, so 3, this becomes 3 as well. And we pop everything, 1, 1, and then left 1, right 1, left 1, right 1, left 1, right 1. I think we did it. We might have gotten it. Let's look at case 1. So in the end, we end up with nothing. 1, so left 1, left 2, and then we get right 1. Wait, what's going on? Oh, I know. We added in this one right after this state. So then we popped this one. Yeah, okay. I think we have this. Do we? Hold on, let's look at this one. So left 1, left 2, and then we're left with left 1, left 2. That's right. So then all we have to do in the end is iterate through our stack and then return what's left, right? Okay, yeah. Okay, so then my result is equal to empty string for now. Let's iterate through the stack. Or how do you iterate through a 2D array in Python? Can I do something like for character, comma, count in the stack? In Python, can you do something like this, like a character times a count? I think that worked. Nothing. Yeah, okay, that works. So then result plus equals character count. This is crazy. I'm pretty sure my solution is not the most optimal, but I have to return the result. Return result. Output is nothing. That's to be expected. 2 is this. Yeah. 2 is that. 3 is this. I think I got it. Or do I? I want to try more test cases. Hold on. Can you add your own test cases? 3. Okay, you can. So I'm going to add, what if we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, that. And then k is equal to 2. What happens with this one? Wow, I think I actually have it. You know what? I think I have it. I'm convinced by my own test cases. So I'm going to delete this print statement and I'm going to submit it. Submission accepted. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Ah. all the test cases passed. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Oh. I've already surpassed all my expectations for this contest. I wanted to get one question right. This is the first time I ever used a stack in Python too. Holy, this code is so messy. Jesus. There's so many index getting. Holy. Oh, you know, I probably reached my limit with this one. Okay, what are the next questions we have? We solved this one. This one is solved. Bitwise Zor, no chance. I don't understand binary. Matt says, I think you have a better chance with 2 than 4. I agree. Number 2 is this one. Ooh, how much time do we have left? 30 minutes left. Okay, I have no hopes with this one, but I guess I can give it one last try. This one was, my brain hurts just looking at the problem. DOMGs. I don't know how to say your name. You can check your rank. The ranks are already out. Contest on the contest page. Ranking. I am 5,000.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Can I see anybody I know here? Oh no, am I in last place? You can't even see past 200th place. Jesus. Solving Q3 is awesome for a first contest. Oh, thank you, Leetcode. Wow. Yeah, at least I didn't waste any submissions. So in the end, I ranked 5,000 out of how many people? How many people did it? Is this how many people did it? 30k? 640 all killed. Wow. Alright, I think I'm done for today then. Maybe I'll review the hard problem some other day. My brain broken. Alright, thank you everyone for watching. This has been my first Leetcode contest. Nice meeting all of you. Alright, see you guys next time. Bye.